Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted a red light therapy. I'm going to call it a blanket or a mat. This thing is incredible. So let's take a look at it up close and then I will demonstrate it and tell you a little bit more about it. So it comes with a very easy to use manual, so hold on to that. And then you get these glasses that you can wear while you are using it. Okay, so these come with it. This is the blanket itself. This thing is huge. I have it plugged in so I can show you. So it comes in several pieces. You have to plug this part into like the power bank part. And then you plug this part into the part that is the controller. And then that plugs into the actual blanket. So you can take these out for storage if you want. So this is really easy to use. This is your controller. So one press turns it on. You can see it is on. And this is the steady mode. You also have a flashing mode number 1 and flashing mode number 2. And then you have all of these different brightnesses. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then you can go back down. And then you have a timer function. So you have 90 minutes all the way down to 10. So let's go ahead, see what this is like while I am using it and learn some more about it. Okay, so this red light therapy blanket is 71 by 31. I am 5'7" for reference, and this covers my entire body. So it has 1280 LED bead lights, and they each contain 3 chips. 1 is 660 nm red, and 2 is 850 nm near infrared. So you get this dual wavelength combination. And this has 5 adjustable brightness levels, 3 infrared therapy modes, and that 10 to 90 minute timer with automatic shut off. I love the glasses because this thing is bright. The 3 modes are really cool. You have the constant, the 10 hertz pulse, and the 40 hertz pulse. And check out the guide. It tells you what these do for you. This is really, really nice because you can also use it as a blanket as opposed to a mat. So you have that dual function, mat or blanket. I'm going to show you close up in a second. What's really nice is this is so easy to clean. So it's slightly padded. You can see on top you have that like plastic. Here's a look at the modes all up close. You can wipe the top of this clean with a damp cloth. And then the backing material is kind of like that scuba material. And this entire case comes off. It unzips if you really need to clean it. I wouldn't see why you would because it just wipes off clean on the top. This is so nice, and this would make a really great gift for you or someone that you love. So definitely check this one out. All the links are below, and I wish you happy relaxing.